Good morning. Today I teach you pair of linear equation in two variables class 10th. In class 9th we learn an equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both zeros. So it is a very important statement. A and B are not both zero. It means we have three possibilities. Three possibilities that A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. Second is A can be 0 but B not equal to 0. And third possibility can be A not equal to 0 and B can be 0. So these are the three possibilities for this statement. A and B are not both 0. We can also write this statement as A square plus B square is not equal to 0. So in class 9th, the value of x and y which satisfy this equation is a solution of equation. The value of x and y which satisfy this equation is the solution of equation. And every solution of a linear equation in two variables correspond to a point on the line representing it. Graphically, we can say that every linear equation in two variable represent a line. In class 10th, we learn pair of linear equation in two variables. Here we have two equations where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. With the condition that a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Since a linear equation in two variables represent a line, so we have here two lines. One is representing a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Uh, when we consider two lines, we have possibilities. Either these two lines intersect each other. Second is they'll never intersect each other. And third condition is that they will coincides each other. Intersecting lines. Parallel lines and coincidence line. Let's draw a table in which we compare the ratio and get graphical representation and algebraic interpretation. Here we have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Compare the ratio means we have to compare the ratio of their coefficients. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we have intersecting lines. Just before we have learned that if lines are intersecting, then we have exactly one solution. Second, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So in this case, we have parallel lines. Since lines are parallel, we have no solution. Third one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So we have coincident lines. Means we have infinitely many solutions. We have intersecting lines, exactly one solution. It means this pair is consistent. If both the lines are parallel, they'll never intersect each other at any point. We have no solution. It is inconsistent. And if both lines are coincident, we have infinitely many solutions. These are dependent pair. We should remember, dependent pair is always consistent. In this chapter, we'll find the solution by two ways: graphical method and algebraic method. In algebraic method, we have three ways. One is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. And third one is cross multiplication method.